Hello guys, welcome back to another video and happy new year to everyone. So in this video we'll be doing a multi-time frame technical analysis on EURUSD. EURUSD is a very important pair to look at now as it's at a critical level, so I'll explain as we get along the video. So we're on the monthly time frame now. If you see where EURUSD is currently at, it's at a very important key level from my analysis here. You can see every time price tested this level, that's 1.2299, it rejected. Every time it came here, it rejected, and when it broke below it, came to test it, then went away from it, but now it's back at this level. So this is the only thing we're seeing at the monthly time frame. If you want, you can add the trend lines, but I don't really like trend lines on higher time frames. We'll get to draw them on smaller ones. So on the weekly time frame, we're going to see something. This is where things start to get interesting. We're going to mark out this level because, as you can see, every time price came here, every time it tested this level, it went away from it, broke below it, came back to retest it, played around this area, then rejected. So here we can expect two things. If you zoom in, first let's draw the trend lines that we see. There's this bullish trend it's been respecting. It's been moving in that channel. So that's what we're seeing there. Then there's also this level here that it broke above. I was actually thinking and I was anticipating a reversal from this area in my previous videos, but I guess things didn't work out as anticipated. But let's go on. So this is what we see on the weekly time frame. So let's go into the daily, and as you can see, this weekly candle, it closed rejecting below this to 1.2299. so when we go to the daily, we can see something very interesting here. So we can also draw minor trend lines that we see it's respecting. So it's been respecting that line, and it's been moving in this channel. So if we zoom in, as you can see, this level that it broke above it was playing around this level for quite some weeks. Then once it broke above it here, when it had a clear breakout with this big engulfing candle, it's continuous bullish. But now price is here, so here we can expect two things. It's either price from here breaks. If it fails to break out of this channel, it's respecting it. You can have trends in trends. This is the bigger picture we're seeing EURUSD. But on the minor time frame, when we go to the H4, we're going to be concentrating on this one. So price can break out of this and come test this level. Depending on how the market opens today, we can see some selling opportunity here. But if it does break above 1.2266, then we're continuing with the bullish trend and we'll continue making highs. So we'll drop down to lower time frame just to see things clearly. This is where things get interesting now. As you can see, price broke above this line, but there's this big engulfing candle that broke below this key level that I marked out, 1.2265. So from here, if price just opens maybe with a gap to the downside or comes back to retest this level, then we have a high probability to go down and come back to 1.1915. Then from here we can see if we're going to be in a bearish market, or depending on the market, the structure that price will give us, if we're going to continue with the overall bullish trend, or now it's time for the dollar to be strong. As you may have noticed, 2020 the dollar had the bias of the dollar being strong, but it didn't actually play out, though gold was selling. But let's say how euro was still buying. It was just a strange overall. So that's what I'm seeing on EURUSD. I don't know, you can drop in your comments in the section below and see what your view is and what you can see. So we've actually come to the end of this video, and Eurusd still be a pair to watch out for this first week of 2021. Yeah, happy trading to you, and please remember to like, share and subscribe to support the growth of more educational content. So bye for now. Ciao.